Please log in via our student app and click on the membership page. Select the suitable package in the top-up section. Please make sure you are aware of the terms and conditions of your chosen package. You may use vouchers, coupons, or promotional codes on this pop-up page. Please kindly note that all the promotional or discounted products are generally non-refundable. Please click the PayPal button below to complete your purchase. We strongly recommend that you pay as soon as possible before the payment link expires, usually 10 to 30 minutes.